Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing in, open Messages on your Mac, and use the identical Apple ID you use on your iPhone. Once signed in, enable Messages in iCloud so conversations sync across devices. Make sure text message forwarding is enabled on your iPhone for carrier SMS to appear on Mac. Doing this now avoids split threads later. These steps link accounts and permit handoff, so messages flow bidirectionally. Once done, you're ready to send and receive from the Mac instantly. You compose with Command+N or click a conversation, type and press Return to send. For photos or files, drag them into the message or click the Photos/Attach button. Attachments upload to iCloud for recipients using iMessage. To manage flow, pin favorite threads, use Reply Inline for specific messages, and apply tapbacks for quick reactions. Search works across synced messages, so you can find numbers, links, or phrases instantly. Make sure typing and delivery indicators update as messages sync. You finish by customizing preferences. Choose alert styles, set how long to keep messages, and confirm send and receive addresses so others reach you correctly. Enable handoff in system settings to continue conversations from iPhone to Mac and vice versa. If something stops syncing, try signing out of iMessage on Mac and signing back in, then restart the Mac. That single step fixes most session, keychain, or token mismatches. If problems persist, update Mac OS and check your Apple ID settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.